getting into on your eye. All right, here we go. Do you feel a little stick there?
Oh, just minor.
A little bit.
I saw something.
Yeah, I saw something come out. Now we're just going to give this a gentle little kind of squeeze and see if we can get this to come out.
Okay.
It's starting to come out, Gonzo. Can we get a culturette?
Yes.
So we can take a wound culture here. This is presumptive staph. We think that you have a staph infection on this eyelid, okay? It looks like basically a stye, which stye is a collection of oil that gets plugged in the eyelid. Usually people squeeze them a little bit and it makes them bigger, not always. But we think this is a stye that's just gotten secondarily infected. All right, here we go.
I don't know how to tie my shoe.
You know, kind of random. Just send that for a culture for me. Let's close that eye again. I'm going to put this needle over here, so try not to move around a lot, okay? Let's see if we can get some more out of that for you. If you start hurting a lot, you tell me, okay? That hurting?
All right. No, that's all right.
Well, maybe our anesthesia did work, huh?
A little bit. He has no comment.
No comment on the anesthesia?
No.
This looks a lot better already.
Great.
So what we're going to have you do, take some antibiotics. We're going to give you an antibiotic shot. That one you felt a little bit.
Yeah.
We're done. And I'm going to have you do warm compresses on this.
Okay.
Where you just get a washcloth, get it under some warm water, and then kind of lay it over the eye there, over the eyelid that's closed. And it should help it kind of drain.
All right.
Do you have any questions for us?
Nope.
Miguel, man, you're awesome. Thanks for letting us record your procedure and share it on YouTube with all our fans.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I had a question. Don't know. Was that on the other eye? You see?
Looks like a little xanthelasma right there. That's that's called a xanthelasma that you have on the right side of the nose up there.
Oh yeah.
That's a cholesterol deposit.
I fell off a roof about 20 years ago, and I wear glasses, and I hit the ground and wound up eventually having those. I think there's about 2 of them.
Yeah, you have that there, you have one over here, and you've got a couple.
Hi, I'm Rachel. And I'm Michelle. Today we'd like to tell you about Meta 7. Meta 7 will help you activate your life and get you where you need to be and through the day. Check it out. There's a link in the description below.